Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we study chapter number 3, the necklace. Exercise 2 and 4. Exercise 2, which is MCQs. Number 1. Dash was working in education. A. Mathilde. B. Loisel. 3. Mansion. D. Forestier. Right option Loisel. 2. Mathilde belongs to a and dash family. A. Rich. B. Poor. C. Middle class. D. Elite. Right option C. Middle class. 3. Loisel gave Mathilde 400 francs to dash. A. Buy outfits. B. Go to theater. C. Buy jewelry. D. Help her friend. Right option buy outfits. 4. Mathilde seemed happiest when she dash. A. Received the invitation. B. Danced in the party. C. Bought a new dress. D. Borrowed the necklace. Right option D. Borrowed the necklace. 5. The main theme of the necklace is dash. A. We suffer for our vanities. B. It is unwise to borrow things. C. Parties can lead to trouble. D. Friends should be honest with each other. Right option is A. We suffer for our vanities. 6. When she borrowed necklace, man Loisel spent whole evening in dash. A. Talking with her husband. B. Watching rich people. C. Wishing she had not come. D. Dancing with many men. Right option is D. Dancing with many men. 7. In order to pay the necklace, M. Loisel does all of the following except dash. A. Contribute his entire inheritance. B. Make deals with loan swindlers. C. Borrowing money from the bank. D. Paying his house loan. Right option D. Paying his house loan. 8. Throughout the story, Maloisel values dash. A. Her love. B. Appearance. C. Knowledge. D. Wisdom. Right option B. Appearance. 9. When Mathilde had to return the necklace, she was looking as dash. A. Rich. B. Proud. C. Peasant. D. Miser. Right option C. Peasant. Peasant means kisan. 10. Mathilde bought another necklace for dash France. A. 60. B. 50. C. 36. D. 56. Right option C. 36. Now move towards on exercise number 4, which is question answer. Question number 1. Why did Loisel expect his wife to be pleased to receive the invitation? Answer. Loisel thought his wife would be thrilled. Thrilled means purjosh, since she never had a chance to go out. Importantly, the invitation was from the ministerial mansion and everybody wanted to go there, but few clerks could manage to go. Question number 2. What was Loisel's reaction on reading the invitation? Answer. When she looked at the invitation, she was excited, but after reading the invitation, she tossed. Tossed means phek diya it aside and said, "What good is that to me?" Because she had neither a fine dress nor a piece of jewelry to wear. Question number 3. How was the life of Mel Loisel before the loss of the necklace? Mathilde was middle-class girl and was married to M. Loisel, who was a clerk in the Ministry of Education. Her life was fine enough, but she always daydreamed of being rich. She was giving grand parties by the elite of the city, but she could not afford fine clothes and did not attend. Question number 4. What efforts were made to find Man Forestier necklace? Answer. Before going to bed, she wanted to have a last look of herself in the mirror with jewelry and fancy dress, but she found that the diamond necklace was lost. They searched everywhere. Her husband retraced their steps, searching for hours, but could not find them. They had given up all hopes by the end of the week and decided to replace the necklace. Question number 5. Describe in your own words how the Loisel's life changed after they had paid for the new necklace. Answer. When Mathilde paid all the debts means curse, of the necklace, she bravely freed poverty. She let her maid go and shifted to a small and cheap apartment. She did her house chores यानी के काम काज, herself, scrubbed the laundry, took out the garbage, carried up the water, and dressed like a peasant. Peasant means kisan. She also bargained for the food with the fruit dealers, the grocers, and the butcher, and they insulted her. Her husband worked as a bookkeeper, and at night he copied documents for just 5 a page. This lasted for 10 years. Question 6. What was Ma'am Forestier's reaction when seeing Ma'am Loisel before she figured out who she was? Answer. Mathilde Loisel looked like an old woman now. When she met Ma'am Forestier said, "Hello Jenny," so familiarly. Ma'am Forestier was surprised to be spoken to a familiarly. Familiarly मतलब इतनी वाकफियत से, because she did not recognize her and said, "Madam, you must be mistaken." Question number 7. How did Mr. and Man Loisel replace the necklace? Answer. Firstly, they searched for it everywhere. Then they replaced it with a diamond necklace, which was so expensive. They had to borrow money at very high interest. Question 8. What was Man Forestier's reaction when the necklace was returned? Answer. Ma'am Forestier's behavior was normal when Mathilde returned the necklace. She coldly said, "You should have returned it sooner. I might have needed it." She did not open the case and put it aside. Question number 9. How did Mr. Loisel contribute to the cost of the new necklace? Answer. The other same necklace cost 40,000 francs, but they got it for 36,000 francs. Mr. Loisel had 18,000 which he had inherited from his father. He borrowed the rest. He took 1,000 francs from one friend and 400 from another, and he borrowed the rest of the money from the money lenders at very high interest. Question number 10. How had Man Loisel's sacrifice been in vain? Answer. Mathilde spent her life as a peasant. She did her work herself and paid all the debts, but her sacrifices were in vain. Vain means bekar, because the necklace she lost was a fake and she replaced it with a real diamond necklace. There are some difficult words of question answers to help you. Number 1, thrilled, पुरजोश. Number 2, tossed, फेंक दिया. Number 3, light, इर्द गिर्द. Number 4, peasant, किसान. 5, debts, कर्ज. 6, chores, कामकाज. 7, vain, बेकार. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.